Welcome everybody, this is AC Gang. Me name Abby aka Good Gal.
And your boy Capos there from Capos TV. Subscribe, like, share, join the family.
Cause we vibes it, mad and extra. Macho!
Whoa!
Welcome to the Mad Crew. And the summer sun say move.
What's up, AC Gang? AC Gang, wagwan. People, you already see the title. You don't know, so I'm back again with another prank on Abby. So guys, currently Abby take a shower. You know why? Because she get up and feel like, yo, she want to work out today and go hard. So she work out and right now, she smell well stink and she gonna beard. But people, this morning, me and her have a look fight. Not physical, they don't know thing, man. I just talking and cussing and whatnot. But good you know, at least she think good you know. But me have an ultimate plan. I have a prank her. You understand? Right now, people, me go in and search for how to get away with murder on the laptop. Because she's supposed to come round. Because I tell her say, we're going to watch a movie when she done bed, right? You understand? So I say, yo, me go search for on the laptop and leave laptop screen on that tab. Or maybe not still, because of course, she must see it eventually. No. I leave the laptop screen on the same page where say, oh, to get away with murder, start me a stutter. So people, I said before, me and her cuss all the time. You don't know this, you know the thing already. As Cartel say, as we wash so we make up, so this something set up. I say go people. But people, right now, the prank here, you make it know, I make it really epic. So as soon as she come round, I just start telling her, say, yo, Abby, you know, say birthday come up in and when she born again? November, so your birthday coming in 3 months time. Me can go up and get away, throw you alone. We talk some things like we can go far, like just me and you. You understand? Yo, me talk some things like everything me go talk people, it's about me and her going somewhere by ourselves. So you know when she see that she start wonder like what like what? What am I talking about? So people just stay tuned for that prank here. I'm not go funny. I try my best to make sure so you jar out and make you feel feel away. More so she gonna react to that one people. If you're new to the page, don't be afraid. Subscribe to the page if it's the first time you watch it. You understand? And remember say follow up on Instagram down below. Subscribe to Abby's Madness, cause Abby channel, trust me, it need more subscribers and more views cause Abby got hard on her acting. So go subscribe to our page, Abby's Madness. You see it? And subscribe to my page, Capos TV. Come over there, post some video as well. Just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Let's get it. Abby, you don't be there now. Why it take so long, B? Why it take so long? Enjoy a shower. My friend, the water bill high here. So we have to take a cup of water and bathe. Oh. You go find the show here. I have to look it. When you come here for show. Yeah, but I mean, you never watch a movie too. Alright, you just watch a series alone? Okay. Okay then. People, she come out of the bathroom now, so don't think go. Stay tuned. Now behind the camera and get the show up on the road. Let's go! There you go, I'm just gonna get away with murder. Get away with murder. Boom. Alright, Google, when I say Wikipedia, how to get away with murder. Alright, what do you say? Oh, Rascal, I'm showing him now. How to kill your wife and get away with it. Alright, so article I know guys. Okay, Bumbleclaw, what should I do? How to kill your wife and get away with it. Alright guys, this now make it stay on.
A few minutes later.
No, no, no.
More than good slice. So why you never find the show again? So why you doing? Me not like to put banana. Give me one banana.
People,
Give me one banana.
people, you make people.
Give me one banana.
I mean, people that I mean,
Yeah, but me don't put my banana.
I mean, the balance is not
Don't put my banana chips before. Why you never let them put my banana chips?
It's about people to write it.
You should have let them put my banana chips.
Hey, man, it's them so.
Go out, change the banana chips.
No, it.
No, no.
That's it, no.
Put the banana chip on there, so back.
I'm not them there.
That's the way. That's the way. Don't get one money. You can't take that. Take that down and you go eat. Me go for one myself.
No, man.
But I think my thing is a sweet cake. Right now, I'm getting my
Where you know the cake? What that mean?
Put back in your fridge.
Yo, you don't face one time, you know, girl. Yo, I'm telling my girl. Don't give me another cake. You think you want to wait for them, please? The cake, man. You can put out the one to the hand, since.
Is that right? We need a banana chip here.
I'm about to watch it.
We need a banana chip.
You can have since.
Put the cake, put one cake in that. No, put that cake, no. I can't eat it. You can't eat it. Like, me take that one. Yeah, more or less I feel like me take that one. So you can't eat this now. You can't eat that.
Oh, no, 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 no. I'm going to. We're going to have a few special.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna want it. Okay, I'm gonna take enough ice cream. What?
You want your way.
So you like that?
One kill. You're not getting my cake.
Sir,
You're not getting my cake, sorry.
people like to what this. Can't go over that about him and give me that cake if you know I eat that. Sometimes I'm gonna take fiend cake. You know I'm take fiend cake. I know I eat that cake. Yeah.
You can put balance it again and then put on the
No, I'll eat this. I'll eat this.
You want to put this, my girl?
I'll eat this.
That's your cinema. You want to know?
Yeah, that's the best I want it. That's the best.
My name is Tina. Back to this is the food food. Abi, you know what I think what? Your birthday? Me have a can of blue together.
And I don't know who's going to my birthday.
Me have together. Ready?
And I don't know who's going to my birthday.
Yeah, jump.
But you may always have the blue one. You may always have the blue one.
Aku balik ni DJ yang kita tengah blue mana, kita bawa dia ke belakang ni. You want blue mana saya?
I will go blue one with them.
Bagi ni yang kau.
No, with the number of colors.
Ni siapa nak blue ni?
Me not going nowhere with that one. Blue one and there's enough people. I'm going with enough people.
Happy birthday, no?
Who wants blue one for my birthday?
It'll be a nice experience.
More I just up and take a nice picture.
Alright, now let's look at week like that. Okay? That candidate like the bomb from 17, so I go from 13, so 13, 14, 15 will come along. After the 15 we can go out there.
We can make people to come over.
Yeah, we can go.
No.
Alright, now we need to do now we need to like that.
No, we're going together. We're going together. I want to never find a show.
Yeah, man, sure. That's good. You can do it then. Criminal mind. Criminal. Criminal mind. Stop that.
We're not going anywhere at COVID. You know, most people when I'm planning going there, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to play there from. Why you think I want to exam for? You know what I mean? For the exam? That place. So I have to feel bad. You don't know why I was wrong. That way. You don't know why I was watching a movie. You know why I was watching a movie. You know why I was watching a movie. Go back on the laptop. I'm sure that I can't do something. What I can't do on the laptop. One somewhere in the laptop. Can't be auto kill while I get away with murder. That's a cat kill. Auto kill while I get away. Okay, my love. Can't be auto kill while I get away with murder. That's not a cat kill.
They shot too much of fucking need at them. Keep your mouth everything you want, see? What's me here? Everything you want, see? Alright. If you like someone laugh you, me and this rap today. Yo, people, I be locked up in a room and speed up my hand on the door a while ago. Like, really? Guys, I'm going at the back part of Arvinda. I don't want neighbor them hear too much, but I go try and I don't know, I can't go into the house no more because she lock up the place. But I'm going to put it with my key. And, I don't know, guys, but she lock up in the house. I don't know if she come back out there, so I don't know what got me now because she now come back out of the house. So, stick around, stick around, stick around. Yeah, play there. It's an article that I read. I think I'll play that play. Alright, come on there, please.
A few moments later.
Why not take that? Where's that boy here? Okay, wait, that move. What's your move now? Yeah, I want that coach like that here. But, yeah, you know my girl. Lock first. Put on the buckle in now. The tears. What's your man doing? Come on, please. Have you done that right there? Have you done that, Bobby? Hey! Come on, please. What do you mean? Okay, just be nice to Bobby. Come back. Wait, what are you doing?
Stop.
I'm not being like that. What's your movie? Move it down now. Move it down. Move it down. Move it down. Hey, look. Come on, the buckle in now. What about my phone? What's that one back? Well? No, yes, man. Why is it no? Where's the no one? prank, like really.
What?
Yeah, then, ow! Ah!
Yeah, no, I don't know about that prank. I don't want to take a photo.
Ow!
I just leave you by the
Ow! Abby, really? You serious?
Come on, I'm not laughing. Yeah, about that prank. Boy, you still take a photo and however. I'm not laughing.
What is it?
Okay, no, I'm not laughing.
I'll put on the bubble.
I'm not laughing.
I'll be a prank, man.
Alright. So you know what? You eat here. I'm saying. Come on. I don't want to hurt you now. I will put this in the egg.
Baby, I can't go for you. But you go from my family.
Well, I'm going to eat the cake. Mama say, when they eat, I eat bananas. So I never want to eat.
Need a cake, man.
Mama see it.
Come
So
on.
yeah, I'm going to eat.
May I eat cake, get up? It all started right at the door. Door.
Eat the cake and take some of my banana chips. Where banana chips is? No, I'll put this for myself. Eat this too. Eat this too. Eat this too. Try to say what I'm saying. Just fuck yourself with me. Yeah, but eat it and stop rambling me. Pussy. 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 Try not.
Boy! Yo! Abby! Ah! Bomba! Yo! Yo, that girl that come here, she's psychopathic, you know. Abby! No, see camera, I'm see you to God. Yo, you fuck up my foot in up. Ah! I swear to you, a prank. I beg me a fuck you cut your back, you know.
So why
So what if it's anything back, you see that fuck
you
you?
know I eat banana chips?
Cut me a trouble, you. What do you think they hurt me in there? No, eat it now, though, like anybody want
Me
it.
have to say you are eat that.
Yo, you fuck up my foot, you know. My career done now, I can't do back no more track and field ever again. Yo! No, man.
Nah, laugh.
I be a little, you know.
Look
People.
where I remember to the room.
What's that be?
Look where I remember to the room.
Yeah, look at your shit, man. This shit that you get. No, man, I be. You need to clean my room right now. People. Yeah, I'm tired of fuck. I be fucking foot, you know. I be can't run so rough, my girl.
Can't look like idiot.
You can't run so
You
rough.
see, you want research more awful. Get away with murder and stuff.
You see, you everything, hey, the girl nearly killed me a while ago. The back, I'm going to grab the answer for.
You said one.
Yo, this is normal at all.
I know I'm still a baby. You have to eat a banana chips right now. You have to eat a banana chips right now. Me not laugh. Eat the banana chips.
Oh, God.
Me say the boy. Girl, I'm bobbling bad. Mama, you mad? You will kill me off.
Alright, guys, if you enjoy this prank, make sure to hit the like button, people, and just know say, yo, that one here was a banger requested by Unum. No one wants to see them hot prank here. You know. Are we going now? Bumba, I'll be a cry, people. Look on the time frame, Abby. Look on the time frame.
Oh, my mom see there, it said 20 something ad. Yeah, see it.
Wait, sir, what? 25? Oh, so it's a video for 25 minutes.
John Crow. Me not laugh. Oh, forget how I was murdered. And them have a run for my life.
I'll be calling my sister Palmina, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And just spam the comment section with Team Capo. Yeah, okay? Team Capo, you know why? Because Capo buck with the banger prank them. You understand? When I say Capo need to step up in pranking game. And see there? Oh, God. I don't like when I be cry. But them tears there. She's terrified, man. She was terrified. So people, just stay tuned for our next video. No, she'll try getting back. She'll try getting back, you know, guys. Make sure I keep my eyes open on the road, you know. So, here on the man, just go and be strong with the people and just make sure you just do the best for the lockdown and just make sure you now watch videos like this. Keep on laughing. It's kind of hard now. No people are depressed now. So that's why I have to try and make videos like this for no laugh. I just fun and games, guys, because I don't know how the pranking thing go. I just keep the camera. So people, hope you enjoy this video, guys. Until then, I look out of my eye, you know, guys. I look out of my eye them now, because I know she.
I know you don't eat banana chips.
I'm not in bed. Wake up, man. Wake up, man. Girl. Oh, God. People, sooner or later, careful out there. Hold on, I'm not out there, guys. Where's it? Where's it? Bali, where's it? Alright, people, see them. I'll be beat out. I'll be just dead, guys. I'll look at her. Mole rat. Wet.